Hi, this is Lisa Marie, and this is my first blog for Magic Quill Ink. This morning, I had this incredible idea that I would put a video on my Work With Me page so that clients would be able to see who I am and get their questions asked. I went to a lot of trouble of writing out little cards for myself. I wrote up a script so I could put on my screen so I knew what I was saying. And when I started, it was not working out well. I sounded very wooden. I sounded very scripted, and you've probably seen some of those cheesy commercials where you're saying, can these people actually put any expression into their stuff? So that's how I felt, and finally I just rewrote the whole page instead of doing a blog. But I didn't want to waste the webcam that I have here, and also I want to say right now that all YouTubers out there that do shows on a regular basis, I want to say, oh my gosh, you guys are great, because this is not the easiest thing. Eventually, I'm sure I'll get comfortable, but talking to a camera and not having an audience is really a little weird. So what I wanted to talk about today, because it's Monday and we obviously need a little motivation, and even though it is the end of the day, I wanted to talk about what does motivate us. I am a writer, so what has always motivated me have been stories. When I was a little girl, I started reading at about the age of 3. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. I do know that when I was 6 years old, I used to write a little book of poetry until I got bored with it and just started copying other people's poems. When I was about 13 years old, I used to write novels. Of course, I didn't really finish those. I still have one that I have thrown away, restarted, and hopefully the never-ending story, as I like to call it, will eventually get finished. But what influenced me the most, the reason I loved writing that novel and every time come back to it, were because of certain books. And I have these books here. One of them, actually two of them, called the Kincaid books. These were the Kincaid books here, Wizards, Giants, Trolls, and Magic, and Witches, Goblins, Ogres, and Fantasy. The reason I like these isn't just because of the prose, which is actually very pretty. You know, we have the magic book, which everyone knows over here as the Sorcerer's Apprentice, but look at the pictures. The drawings are just beautiful, and from the age when I got these, I was about 5 or 6. Not this copy, but other similar copies. The drawings always enchanted me, and I always wanted to be able to write stories just like this. Then there's another book. The other book was one my father gave me when I was a little girl. It was sometime after I said the Lord's Prayer. Actually, no, it wasn't the Lord's Prayer. It was the one that we all say as a little kid, you know, now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. And as we were talking, just seemed out of thin air, he brought me this book, The Littlest Angel. And now that I've had a few little boys of my own, every time I read this, it brings me to tears. And it's one of my favorite books. But I've always loved fairy tales. They're my favorites. I love fairy tales and mythology, and they're the stories that motivate me. And someday I will finish that novel. I like to say it's when I finish where I am in life, and I wouldn't say maybe grown up, but where I am at a place where I can expand a little bit more on what I've learned in life, because that story, I threw it away, started over with new characters, and went from there. It grew with me. and it continues to do so. So I hope eventually in the next few years, maybe 3 to 5 years, I'll get it motivated enough to actually finish it. It helps when you have an audience though, and so that's why I try to send it out to people whenever I get a chance, so that maybe they'll say, hey, can you finish this? And everybody needs that motivation. So what motivates you, whether it's in your life, in your occupation, just what is something from your childhood that you've always held on to in your heart that motivates you to keep on with what you're doing? So just leave a comment below or send me a note, whatever, and hopefully this will get better as the weeks go on. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye.